Patay. I don't know if this is a good idea, but this is how we're going to Asik-Asik Falls in North Cotabato. What's up? Woo! The 1 hour drive from Mindanao to the Yogyogin. That's Tagalog for I'm shaking. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh wow. Good vibes. This is amazing. We're way up in the hills. Woo. Alright, Asik-Asik Falls, we made it! Sakit sa lawa, sakit sa low shaking, oh! Pero ayos! Woo! Ayos! Good vibes! Alright, go to the falls, they've already been there. Do it! This is a pretty funny little drive down to the falls. You can either walk or drive down. We're taking the truck. But it's such a beautiful area. It's so wide open. This is Barangay Dado. Or not Barangay, I mean it's municipality or Barangay? Yeah, this is it. Whoa! Such a beautiful area here. This is Barangay Dado Alamada. We're just going to the entrance of Asik-Asik Falls. Woo! Yes. This is an incredible view. Look at this, like the land, the farmland. Can you believe I'm actually standing in between right now of North Cotabato and Lanao? We're always just over there. Cotabato's back that way. It's really such a beautiful area to experience. Kids. Yes, too big. Oh, you left me hanging. You left me hanging. What an incredible wall of water. It's a busy Saturday, but you never even know because there's just so much water flowing through this thing. Just incredible. The best high spot ever! Powerboat, so cold, I'm hiding in a cave. You can see how the vegetation here is just flowing with water. This is so cool. Look at this. Have you ever seen anything like this before? Like, this is a natural wonder. So beautiful. Oh man, that was a cool spot. That is awesome. Like, you gotta check out Asik-Asik Falls. It is definitely worth checking out. Oh man. Woo. What an incredible place, man. Like, it's gonna be worth those 1,000 steps back up. Like, it's gonna be worth it. I know I'm gonna be Kapoy pa good, but just awesome. Woo! Uh, 1,000 steps.
Saka pa more.
Spread. Brad! Pagod, Brad!
Usap
Kapoy,
pa.
Brad!
Usap pa mo.